So guys, welcome to this YouTube channel, and you can see basically that this is a new YouTube channel that I'm just currently setting up, where I'm going to be sharing a lot of content that is going to definitely help you and I to make some good figures online. I've been to the online hustle and I've got a lot of experiences that I wish I'm going to share with you, teach you for free instead of paying for them. So as you can see on the channel right now, that the channel currently has 2 subscribers, and I want us to come together to grow this community so that it can be a place where we get knowledge and tips and strategies that will help us to make money online. And in this YouTube channel, I'll be sharing a lot of content on blogging, affiliate marketing, and online hustles, and Facebook and Instagram ad and web development. I'll be sharing a lot of online stuff with you guys in this YouTube channel. So that is why it is very much important for you to subscribe to the channel so that we can grow the community together, because I'm assuring you that when you subscribe to this channel, you are going to enjoy my content. And in this YouTube channel, I will be posting or uploading 3 videos per week. 3 videos per week is what I will be uploading in this channel. So I'm assuring you of that I'm holding you 3 content every single week in this YouTube channel, and you definitely going to enjoy my content. So please, let's grow this community together. Subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell to all, so whenever I upload new videos, YouTube will get to notify you of my new uploader. I uploaded a new video. So please subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this community together, and I'm assuring you that you are going to enjoy my content. It's not going to be like any other content you are seeing online, because I'm going to share my uniqueness, my areas that I've failed, and things basically you should do to avoid the mistakes I made. So in this channel, you are going to enjoy my content. So you can just see that the channel will just have only 2 subscribers, and you can see that right now there is no single content on this YouTube channel. You can see there is no single content on this YouTube channel, and basically I'm going to start creating content into this channel. So please subscribe to this channel, share the YouTube link to your friends, share it with your friends on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Telegram. Tell them to subscribe to the channel. And if you subscribe to this channel, you do not gain value from my content, I will tell you to unsubscribe. So if you subscribe to this channel and you see that you do not gain any value from my content after 2 or 3 videos in this channel, and you do not gain any single value, unsubscribe, leave the channel. But if you gain value, I want you to stay subscribed to the channel, turn the notification bell to all. Once I upload videos, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. And like I said, now if you subscribe to this channel, you are not going to regret subscribing to this channel, because I'll be sharing a lot of content both on AI, the strategy people are using right now to make money with AI. I'll be sharing content on AI, so many things about AI content, how to build a standard blog that makes you money. And you see blogs that I've built, I've generated money with it. So subscribe to the channel, because it's going to be a community that if you do not subscribe, you're going to regret of missing what I will be sharing on this content. So guys, before I put an end to this, my name is Uchenna, and I'm a full internet marketer. So if this is the first time you're hearing about my name, you can just simply go to Facebook, search about me, Uchenna, or just go to Google, simply type on Google about Uchenna, and you are going to see a lot of information about me. Now let me quickly show it to you. Just go to Google right now and search about Osakwe Nelson Uchenna. Osakwe Nelson. So you are going to see that Google is going to share a lot of my information with you. You can see here I'm a blogger, web designer, affiliate marketer, content writer, and SEO. So that is that. You see that this is seller, because I have a course on seller that I'm currently selling. So I have courses on seller. You can see that this is seller. This is my LinkedIn account. You can see that you can connect with me on anywhere. This is me on Facebook. Let me open it so that you can take a look at it. You can connect me on any social media platform. You can connect me on any social media platform, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on X. You can see me also on X. So you can connect with me on any platform. This is my Instagram. So if you want to know more about me, you just subscribe to this YouTube channel and we grow it together. We also connect on Facebook or any social media platform where you get to chat me one-on-one. So that is about that. This is me. I don't want to log in, that is why it's showing this way. But if you search on your own on your own end, it's not going to. Okay, this is me. This is me, Osakwe Nelson Uchenna, right here. So you can just connect with me on Facebook. I share a lot of content as well on Facebook. You can see my page on Facebook. I share a lot of content on making money online, blogging, and so many stuff on Facebook. So you can just connect with me on Facebook as well, on any social media platform that you want. But basically, I want us to grow this YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel so that we can grow it together. And if there is any content you want me to create, or you have a particular content you want me to be creating for you, any kind of strategy, whatever you are struggling online to figure out, and you want more knowledge about it, you want someone who is going to help you create more content, or a particular step-by-step guide on how to do a particular thing, or how to fix a particular stuff that you are struggling to get to fix, just leave me a comment at the comment section. Tell me that you are struggling for this particular stuff, that I should make a video tutorial for you on that, and I promise you that I'm going to make a video for you on that. So if you gain value from here, guys, I will see you again in the next video. Please, let's grow this community together. It is very, very important. Let's grow community of people who are aiming to financial freedom. This is 2026 and everyone must make use of the internet to better their life. So guys, I will see you again in the next video. Stay safe.